Little storyteller.
Percy the little penguin loved the polar plunge more than anything. It was super speedy and made his feathers tingle. The Arctic air was crisp and cold, like a giant frozen lollipop, and the icy water made tiny bubbles that tickled his tummy. One sunny morning, Percy waddled over to his fluffy friends, the Arctic foxes, Flick and Floof. Their fur was so white and soft, like giant cotton balls with pointy ears. "Come on, you two," Percy chirped, flapping his little wings. "Let's do the polar plunge." Flick giggled, his fluffy tail swishing. "The polar plunge? But Percy, our fur is too fluffy. It would get all wet and heavy like a soggy snowball." Floof nodded in agreement, her big blue eyes wide, "and then we would shiver and shake like a leaf in the wind." Percy hadn't thought of that. Their fluffy fur was perfect for staying warm on the snowy land, but not so good for icy dips. "Oh," he said, his beak drooping a little. Next, Percy shuffled to the slippery ice floe, where his seal friends, Sally and Sammy, were sunbathing. Their smooth, shiny bodies glistened in the sunlight. "Sally, Sammy," Percy called, "want to learn how to do the polar plunge?" Sally chuckled, her round eyes twinkling. "Percy, dear friend," she said, her voice like gentle waves, "we seals are already experts at swimming in the icy water. We do it all the time." Sammy nodded, flipping his tail in the water. "It's our favorite thing." Percy felt a little bit sad. He loved the polar plunge, but his fluffy friends couldn't do it, and his slippery friends already knew how. Then he had a wonderful idea. Percy rushed back to Flick and Floof. "Instead of the polar plunge," he said excitedly, "how about we have a super speedy slide down the snowy hill? The wind will rush through your fluffy fur, and it will feel like a chilly whoosh." Flick and Floof's ears perked up. "A super speedy slide?" Floof asked, her tail wagging. "That sounds like fun," Flick agreed. "Yes, our fluffy fur will help us zoom down." Percy then waddled back to Sally and Sammy. "And you two," he said with a smile, "can show me your best speedy swims and fancy fish dives. I can try to copy you." Sally and Sammy clapped their flippers with joy. "That sounds like a wonderful idea, Percy," Sally exclaimed. Sammy added, "We can show you how to twirl and dive like the speediest fish." So Percy, Flick, Floof, Sally and Sammy all had a wonderful day. Flick and Floof zoomed down the snowy hill, their fluffy fur flying in the chilly breeze, laughing all the way. Then Percy tried his best to swim and dive like Sally and Sammy, who cheered him on with every splash and wiggle. As the sun began to set, painting the sky with soft pink and orange colors, all five friends gathered together. Percy smiled. It was so much fun trying new things together. Flick and Floof agreed, their fluffy cheeks rosy from the slide. Sally and Sammy nodded happily, their sleek bodies warm from the sun and the swim. Percy learned that even though everyone is good at different things, it's always fun to share what you love with your friends and try what they love too. That way, everyone has a happy day.
Please subscribe. Thank you.